In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an audience in Google Analytics 4. Learning how to build your audience in GA4 is essential for targeting and gaining valuable insights into your users' behavior and preferences. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Google Analytics 4 account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Admin panel. Once you're in the Admin panel, locate the Property column. This is where you can manage the specific properties tied to your account. In this column, you'll see an option labeled Audiences. Click on it to access the Audiences section where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Audiences section, it's time to create a new audience. You'll see a button labeled New Audience. Click on it to begin the process of setting up an audience that meets your specific needs. At this point, you have a couple of options for creating your audience. You can choose to use a template or create a custom audience from scratch. If you prefer going the template route, you have several options such as purchasers, demographics, or even predictive audiences. These templates are designed to save you time and offer a structure based on common criteria. If you'd rather create a custom audience to fit more specific criteria, you can do that too. In the Audience Builder, you will define your conditions. This could include various attributes such as events like a purchase, geographic location like the United States, or devices used like a mobile phone. Next, you need to define the scope of your audience. You have three choices here: across all sessions, within the same session, or tied to a specific event. This choice depends on how you want to analyze user behavior across their interactions with your site or app. The membership duration is another critical setting. Here, you determine how long someone should remain part of this audience after they've met the criteria you've defined. The default duration is 30 days. But this can be adjusted anywhere from 1 to 540 days, depending on your business needs or campaign goals. Before saving, ensure to name your audience. Doing so is crucial for keeping things organized. You also have the option to add a description, which can be incredibly helpful for recalling the specific purpose or criteria of this audience in the future. Finally, click Save. Congratulations, your audience will now start to populate. Just keep in mind that this process begins from the moment you hit save. It's not retroactive, and it might take up to 2 days for your audience to fully build and reflect in your analytics. By completing these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating effective, insightful audiences within Google Analytics 4. Thanks for tuning in, and happy analyzing.